Let's match the following here. Match the following popular dishes to the regions they are from. Okay. First one, dalma. Who is taking this dalma? You all know it. Who is the person? It is we people. With the Odisha people, isn't it? Okay. Dalma is taken by Odisha people. Odisha people. Okay. And khatkate. Khatkate is taken by this Goan people, and Sukto is taken by West Bengal. Liti Chokha is taken by Bihar and Jharkhand, and Misal Pav is taken by Maharashtra. Udiyu is taken by Gujarat, and Gustava is taken by whom? Can you guess? Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Turn the next page, children. Now let's discuss the page. This page. Here the statement goes like this. Many places have earned special names for themselves. Identify the city or the country, the subrequisite given here. Here the first one is souvenir given here. Okay. The first one is Land of the Golden Fleece. Who is that? Australia. Second one is Garden City of India. Which is the Garden City of India? Please name me quickly. Bengaluru. Okay. Question number 3. Land of 1,000 love. Land of 1,000 love. Which land? Finland. Okay. Now question number 4. Land of white elephants. Can you guess? Quickly guess and tell me. Thailand. Question number 5. Island of pearls. Which number? Which name? Bahrain. Okay. I repeat, Bahrain. Question number 6. Windy City, Chicago. Okay. Question number 7. Gift of the Nile. All of us know this. Egypt. Question number 8. Eternal City. It's Rome. Question number 9. Playground of Europe. Switzerland. City of the Golden Gate. San Francisco. Turn the next page, children. See this. The statement what is given on the top heading. Read the top heading here. Tick right the correct word from among those in the brackets that conveys the same feelings expressed in the underlined words in each of these sentences. Now question number 1. I was very hungry. This underlined word here is very hungry. When I received a beautiful watch as a gift. They have given options here. Options are glad, peaceful, overjoyed, and cheerful. So what's the answer here? What's the answer? Can you say it? Okay. The answer is you are replacing very happy in the place of very happy. You are going to write overjoyed or what? What are you going to do? Overjoyed or aesthetic? Now question number 2. Okay. She walked slowly down the garden path. Okay. Options are tripped, scrolled, went, stumbles. Now you need to find out another word that means the same thing here. Okay. Has 6 letters, begins with A and ends with D. What's the answer? This underlined word, please bear in mind, this underlined word is walked slowly. You are going to replace this underlined word. Okay. Similar to this. And that word has to begin with A and ends with D. Can you? What's the answer? Strolled. Okay. You're going to get the strolled. And what's the answer here? Ambled. A-M-B-L-E-D. A-M-B-L-E-D. Ambled. Now question number 3. The man was extremely surprised. The extremely surprised is the underlined word. To see the police. The options are frightened, stand, relieved, astounded. In order to find out another word that means the same thing here. Which one? The extremely surprised. Okay. Has 13 letters. Begins with F and ends with D. Can you guess? Which is the word here? Which is the word used here? Question number 3. Flabbergasted. I spell out for you. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. Now question number 4. The rat run quickly. Run quickly is your underlined word. Okay. Into the hole. The options are squid, jumped, disappeared, slid. You need to find out another word that means the same thing. It has got 9 letters. Begins with S and ends with D. Can you guess which is the name? Scampered. S-C-A-M-P-E-R-E-D. Scampered. Okay. Now let's see B part, what it is given here in the textbook. Circle the word from those given in the brackets that conveys the opposite meaning of the word underlined in each of the sentences below. Let's analyze one by one. Number 1. The man praised his employee. Options are lauded, criticized, scolded, congratulated. What could be the answer? What's the opposite word of praised here? The opposite word of the praised is criticized. The past form, criticized. Okay. Now, number 2. Ravi gave Meenakshi a hostile glance. Options are friendly, cold, sharp,